Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Kisharwani. Today I will discuss about the organic compounds. What is organic compounds? Right? So before starting my lecture, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for new video updates. Right? So what is the organic compounds? Basically, organic term is coming from the organisms. As you know, organisms is made up of carbon, made up of carbon, like as plants, animals, etc. So basically, when we discuss about the organic compounds, basically we discuss about the carbons compound. Carbons compound. So what is organic compounds? The compounds of carbon known as organic compounds. Example, I take some example like as methane that have formula CH4, ethane that have formula C2H6. Now chloroform that is CHCl3, that is ethanol that is C2H5OH, aldehyde that is CH3CHO, etc. So these are the examples related with the organic compounds, right? So now what is it? Some properties of organic compounds. Actually, organic compounds are made up of covalent bond. Organic compounds have covalent bond. That is, it is made up by sharing of an electron. So these are the organic compounds in which covalent bonds are present. So they have all the properties of covalent compound. Like as example, number one, low melting point and boiling point. Means basically जितने भी organic compounds हैं, they are made up of the covalent bond. So they have all the properties related as a covalent compound, like as low melting point and low boiling point. Right? So these are the information regarding with the organic compounds. Organic compounds also are present in plants and animals. Organic compounds are also present in plants and animals. Right? Why the organic compounds we studied? Actually, organic compounds are basically made up of the carbon. So carbon have one major property by which we study the organic compounds as a separate branch of chemistry, that is in organic chemistry. कार्बन्स के कंपाउंड की संख्या इतनी ज्यादा है, इतनी ज्यादा लाखों करोड़ों है, जिसकी वजह से हमें कार्बन्स की कंपाउंड की स्टडी एक अलग ब्रांच में करनी पड़ती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. व्हाई दिस हैपन? Actually, this is due to the presence of a property, that is the catenation property. In the previous lecture, we discussed what is the catenation. Self-linking capacity of carbon atom is called catenation property. So, what is the catenation? Catenation property. Self-linking capacity of carbon atom is called as catenation property. Due to catenation property, carbon forms a large number of compounds. Large number of compounds. As straight chain compound in which carbon is present like this in straight form. Number 2, in branched form like this, carbon is present like in this branching occur here. Now the third, as in cyclic form, means carbon is also present in cyclic form. So, due to catenation property, carbons may form a large number of compounds. That's why we study the organic compounds in a separate branch of chemistry, that is called organic chemistry. Right? Now, what is the types of organic compounds? In your syllabus, only some organic compounds have been mentioned, like as types of organic compounds. Number 1, hydrocarbons. Number 2, haloalkane. Number 3, ketone. Number 4, aldehyde. Number 5, alcohol. Number 6, carboxylic acid. Number 7, ester, etc. Various organic compounds occur, but in your syllabus only some types of organic compounds is mentioned, right? Basically, in this chapter we discuss about in broad for hydrocarbons, haloalkanes, ketone, aldehyde, alcohol and carboxylic acid. This is not in your syllabus, but we discuss all these things, and also we discuss extra part of the organic compounds. So basically, what is the hydrocarbons? First we discuss what is the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons, the compounds which is basically made up of only hydro means hydrogen, and carbons means carbon. So the compounds which is basically made up of only carbons and hydrogen called as hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. Example, methane. As in methane, carbon is 1 and hydrogen is 4. So this have only carbon and hydrogen. So this is called hydrocarbons. Like as ethane, that is C2H6. Like as ethene, C2H4. Like as ethyne, C2H2, etc. So basically those compounds in which only carbon and hydrogen is present are called hydrocarbons. The main source of hydrocarbon is petroleum and crude oil, which is obtained from the earth. So these are the source of the hydrocarbons. Now, classification of hydrocarbons. Classification of hydrocarbon. Classification of hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon are basically classified into two categories. Number one is the acyclic or open chain compound. Open chain compound. Second one is the cyclic or closed chain compound. Right? Cyclic is divided into two categories. Number one is the homocyclic. And second one is the heterocyclic. Homocyclic is also divided into two categories. First one is the alicyclic homocyclic compound. Second one is the aromatic homocyclic compound. Aromatic homocyclic compound is also divided into two categories. First one is the benzenoid and second one is the non-benzenoid. Similarly, heterocyclic compound is also divided into two categories. First one is the alicyclic heterocyclic compound and second one is the aromatic heterocyclic compound. Right? Now acyclic, that is open chain compound, is basically two categories. Number one is straight chain. They are basically classified into two categories. First one is the saturated hydrocarbon and second one is the unsaturated hydrocarbon, right? Saturated hydrocarbon, first one is the saturated hydrocarbon and second one is the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon contains alkane and unsaturated hydrocarbons contain two, that is alkene and alkyne. Actually, when single bond is present between carbon carbon, then it is called alkane. When double bond is present between the carbon carbon, then it is called alkene. If triple bond is present, then it is called alkyne, right? So what is acyclic और ओपन चेन कंपाउंड? एक ऐसा कार्बन्स का कंपाउंड जिसमें कार्बन एक स्ट्रेट चेन के फॉर्म में हो, लाइक दिस कार्बन, लाइक दिस. It may be straight chain or in branch, like this or like this. Means hydrogen is also present here. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. अब आप यहां से देख सकते हो एक ऐसा कंपाउंड जो कि स्ट्रेट फॉर्म में है और जिसमें ब्रांच है, that is called acyclic or open chain compound, right? If this is divided into two categories, that is saturated hydrocarbon and that is unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is saturated hydrocarbon? Those hydrocarbon in which carbon linked with another carbon atom with single bond, then it is called alkane. If carbon is linked with another carbon atom with double bond or triple bond, then it is called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Clear? Now example: methane, ethene, ethyne. This is not actually in your syllabus, but we discuss here. साइक्लिक और क्लोज चेन कंपाउंड मींस ऐसे कंपाउंड जो कि साइक्लिक के फॉर्म में हो, जो कि क्लोज हो, लाइक दिस कार्बन, लाइक दिस. मींस कहीं से भी कार्बन अटैच है, वो ओपन नहीं है, लाइक दिस. जैसे यहाँ पर फर्स्ट कार्बन और इंड वाला कार्बन एक दूसरे से अटैच नहीं थे, यहाँ पर फर्स्ट कार्बन और इंड वाला कार्बन एक दूसरे से अटैच हैं, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड साइक्लिक और क्लोज चेन कंपाउंड. इफ वी add hydrogen like this, CH2, 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 they are in ring form, so they are called cyclic or closed chain compound. They are basically classified into homocyclic, heterocyclic. अगर कार्बन के साइकिल में केवल एक ही टाइप के एटम हो, एक ही टाइप मतलब केवल देखिए कार्बन 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 ही है, हाइड्रोजन की बात नहीं, क्योंकि हाइड्रोकार्बन तो वही है, हाइड्रोकार्बन होगा तो मतलब हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन दोनों है. बट अगर रिंग में केवल कार्बन एटम है तो उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे होमोसाइक्लिक. अगर रिंग में कार्बन के अलावा कोई दूसरा एटम आ जाए तो उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे हेटेरोसाइक्लिक, लाइक दिस नाइट्रोजन कार्बन 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 कार्बन, लाइक दिस. in this cyclic compound, carbons as well as another atom, that is nitrogen, is present, so there is different atom is present, so this is called heterocyclic compound. Now homocyclic compound is divided into two categories: alicyclic homocyclic compound and aromatic homocyclic compound, and also alicyclic heterocyclic compound, aromatic heterocyclic compound, which we discuss after some time, right? Now what is the saturated hydrocarbons? What is saturated hydrocarbon? Those hydrocarbon in which single bond is present between carbon carbon called as saturated hydrocarbon. Example, alkene. And they have general formula CnH2n plus 2. This is very important formula of alkene. How we obtain the members of alkene? If you write n is equal to 1, then C1 2 into 1 plus 2, that is C 2 1 is 2 plus 2 means 4, CH4. If you write 2, then C2H2 into 2 plus 2 is equal to C2 2 to the 4 plus 2 means 6. So this is the example of saturated hydrocarbons in which only single bond is present between the carbon-carbon atoms. Right? Now, what is the unsaturated hydrocarbons? Those hydrocarbons in which double or triple bond is present between the carbon-carbon is called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Example, there is two examples. That is alkene and alkyne. They have general formula CnH2n and they have general formula CnH2n minus 2. If you write n is equal to 1, then you got C1H21, that is CH2. Actually this molecule is not exist. That's why we not consider n is equal to 1 in case of alkene and alkyne. So we write n is equal to 2. So what will happen? C2 into H2 into 2, that is C2H4. Similarly here n is equal to 2, then C2H2 into 2 minus 2, that is C2H4 minus 2 means C2H2. Now the second members n is equal to 3, then C3H6. If you write then n is equal to 3, then C3 and H 3 to the 6 minus 2 means C3H4. So these are the examples of the alkene as well as alkyne. Right? Now we discuss what is the cyclic hydrocarbons. Cyclic hydrocarbon. Cyclic means in ring form, means those hydrocarbons in which carbon is present in ring form, then it is called cyclic hydrocarbons. Those hydrocarbon in which carbon is present in ring form called as cyclic hydrocarbon. Example, CH2, 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 then CH2. Means carbon is present in ring form. So this is called cyclic hydrocarbon. Like also this CH2, 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 this. Like this CH2, 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 CH2. What is the name of this compound? Actually this name have cyclopropane. After this lecture we discuss how we write the normal name of the hydrocarbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is cyclopentane. That is cyclobutane. Right? So these are the cyclic hydrocarbons. Now, unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. Actually, unsaturated term is used for double or triple bond. When in cyclic hydrocarbon double bond are present, then it is called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Means those cyclic hydrocarbons in which double bond or triple bond are present, called as unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. Actually, in your syllabus, only one compound is present, that is benzene. Like this. CH, 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 CH. This is the examples of benzene and having formula C6H6. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, and also subscribe this channel, and also spread this video for messaging for the students for the good study. Thank you.